Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you see, a special guest right here, this little mini guy. We're gonna be doing My Son Does My Makeup. I know it's not trending right now, but my son has been begging me for so long to do my makeup. So today we're gonna let him do it. We have everything here for a full face. He picked everything out that he wants to use. Got all my brushes like right over here. I'm gonna be handing him the brushes, and I'm gonna basically give him everything he needs to do, or I can just, I don't know. We'll see how this goes. So, Gabriel, you ready to do mommy's face? Mommy's makeup?
Buddy.
You want me to put my ears on?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna put these on.
Yep. It's look cute.
You like it?
Yeah.
Alright. So I'm just gonna scooch. I got him sit on two pillows because these chairs are too small. I mean, he's too small. You wanna sit up on your knees so we can start this? Come on.
Yep.
Ready?
Ready.
Alright, let's get your legs on there. Oh. There we go. Alright, so ready?
Ready.
Alright. I'm gonna prime my face.
Yeah.
Give me your fingers.
What?
Give me your fingers, come on. Let's do my makeup. Put that on my face, go ahead. No, dot it.
Where?
Dot it, all over. Use your other hand. Grab your other hand. And put it like that. Or that, okay. Want to do it with a brush?
Yeah.
Alright. Mommy will put it on. And you can put it in a brush, okay?
Yeah. I like you. Do you make it?
Yeah. Alright.
I'm so happy.
Here, come on. Brush. Blend it in. Oh, hold the brush like this. Make sure they see you.
Okay.
Okay, Dad, pay attention. Rub it in. You gotta rub it all in. Don't forget spot. You got it all in?
Yep.
Next up. Ready for the next one?
Yep.
Alright. Okay. So now it's the foundation.
Yep,
Oh, so for the primer we use Smashbox Photo Finish. And then we're gonna use the Fit Me foundation, matte and poreless.
I do this.
Okay, stop. All right, ready?
Ready. Ready, do it. Time.
Or do you want to do eyeshadow first? We'll do eyeshadow after. That's fine.
Okay.
We're just gonna put a little bit here.
Huh? It's so
You
beautiful.
put too much.
Oh no. Can we do that?
You're gonna do that. Wait.
I don't want to drop your makeup slot. No.
All right. There you go. Just dip that in and put it all over mommy's face. No, not. Okay. Look how much you got. Oh my God. Oh. Tap it like you was doing earlier. Tap. Careful, mommy's eyes.
Oh, you just.
My forehead, right here, my nose, everywhere. Do it like this.
Ew. Kind enough.
No, you gotta blend it all in. Oh, let me lower my ring light a little bit. No, that's too much, okay. Look at that.
I doing mommy's makeup?
Don't forget my forehead. Look, you gotta get my whole face. We good. Okay?
Okay.
Get it everywhere. Not my eyes. See?
Jose, look!
No, your brother's busy, baby. Come on.
I will Jose look.
No, he's playing this game. Come on. Don't wipe makeup on your shirt.
No.
How's that looking? You gotta blend it all in. Look, I can still see it. Blend it in. Pat it in. Hard. Pat it strong and hard. Done?
Yep.
Okay. Can you blend that in?
Okay.
Like that. See?
Jose, look!
No, it's okay. He'll see you after, okay? We'll surprise him.
Okay.
Okay, like this.
Yep.
All right, next step
Next up.
is this.
This.
Let me show them. Want to show them?
Yep.
Show them. Right here.
Look.
Say L'Oreal Infallible Concealer.
Sarah.
So far, it's my face. Not blended over here. This is my face, guys. Okay, go ahead. Oh,
You see it, mommy?
yeah, usually it goes over here. Right here, my nose, a little my forehead. Oh, you got it in my...
Oh no.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no.
This is what we look like so far. You're doing an amazing job. Are we done with that? Not yet? Okay, I think we got enough over here. How about this side? Okay, okay. Now let's blend it in, right? Nope, we're done with that. Nope, no more. Here, now you use this. Okay, now we use this. I got it, Mommy got that. Go ahead. Blend it in. So wait, this is...
Oh no. Oh no.
Blend it in hard. Harder. Oh, careful my eyes.
And
Keep going. Blend it all in. Come on.
we doing it.
Mm-hmm.
See, I do your makeup.
Want to get blended in?
Yeah.
Push it in hard. You want a brush? Will that be better?
Yeah, that'd be better.
Here you go.
There?
Mhm.
On your face?
Mm-hmm. Like that. Here, hold it like... You know how to hold the brush? Like this. Gabriel. Done? What about here? No?
Okay.
Like that?
What do you know?
See? Blend it in.
Oh no.
Okay.
You're laughing.
So now, we gotta do powder.
Yep.
So you picked out this, right? Show them. Show them. The La Mercier Translucent Setting Powder.
Open it. So we do this. Oh!
That's a little bit. Okay, hold on. Let me give you the brush. Now you tap this a little bit and just put it on. Let the camera see it. Okay, now, okay, let's switch.
Oh no. What is this happening? What is this happening?
Okay. Other side. Okay, no more. That's enough. Now blend this in.
Oh, I like it.
Like that, see?
Oh,
Okay, that's good.
how about this?
Okay, that's not, nope, that's not next. Now we need to do contour. Nope, wait. Put that back. Okay.
No.
All right, next we need to do this one. Come on. Nope, not that one yet. Not yet. Oh God, this is gonna be terrifying.
Jose, you can't look.
Okay.
Jose, look at
No.
mommy.
Okay, next. we need to use this.
Use this, not this. So where's this?
Now here, do my eyebrows.
Yeah. I want to open it.
Here, you're gonna do my eyebrows. We're gonna use this. So we got the LA girl powder.
Not girl.
No, it's not. You're not a girl. All right, come on.
No.
So you're gonna dip this in this one and do my eyes, my eyebrows. No, my eyebrows, my eyebrows. Just my eyebrows.
That's it.
You're doing very good. Don't forget the top of it.
What side? And that's enough.
All right, you done with that?
Yep.
Okay. Now,
We done?
nope, we're gonna do some blush.
Oh, I don't like it. I don't want to make it. How about this?
All right, now we're gonna do some blush. Here's a blush brush, come here.
How about this?
Nope, not yet. We'll get there, we'll get there. All right, here we go. We're gonna use a Milani Rose blush. Put it right here. How many shakes? Okay, enough, that's enough. Like that.
I'm done.
All done with that? Okay. Now we're gonna contour.
How about use
Here you go.
this?
You're gonna use this color
Yep. This
right here. Look, right here.
Oh no! Look.
Use this one, right here. Okay, you're going really hot. Oh,
Oh, there.
Right I'm going with the Koki contour palette.
Oh, then. Oh, then.
No, not those ones. Tell me when you're done. Okay.
But you're laughing.
You done?
Yep, I did that.
Okay.
This one.
Now highlighter.
Yep.
Here, let me give you the brush. Here you go.
How about this?
That's last.
That's glass.
Here you go. We're using the Wet n Wild Mega Highlighting. I look good. Stop playing. Okay. Ooh, gonna be glowing today, huh?
Had enough.
Yep. No more? Okay, it's enough?
Yep. No more.
One more? Okay. Right here. Down my nose. Mm-hmm. Done? All right. We're almost at the last step, papito. Now,
Oh,
here you go.
mommy.
No, not right now, papito. Here you go. All right.
Yep. This.
By the boss palette, we're gonna do some eyeshadow. So this goes here, okay? All right.
Close your eyes.
Yep, I'm gonna close my eyes, okay?
Okay.
We'll give you this brush.
Close your eyes.
Dip it into every color, huh?
Yep. And enough. And enough of this.
Okay, so you done?
Yep.
We're done with eyeshadow.
And that too.
And now we got lipstick left.
And that.
Oh, you want to do mascara, right? This kid wants to do mascara.
No, I want to do that.
Here, you want to do this? Look, for the eyes, you gotta finish the eyes.
What? Yeah.
Oh, careful. You just gotta over your hands. Let me see your hands. Don't put on your shirt. All right, so now this goes like this.
Uh-oh.
God. I already put it in there.
I stuck out.
You gotta put it on, just put it on. Like that. It goes on my eyes, silly goose.
Nah. Sorry.
Okay. All right, so now
Oh, that's really.
we got lipstick.
Yeah.
This is for my lips.
Yes.
Gotta put that on my lips. Outline my lips. My lips. My lips, silly goose. Keep going.
Not enough.
All right, now the lipstick. Next, and this is in honeymoon, I think.
Next, this.
My lips. My lips. I'll hold it. I'll hold it. My lips. Lips, lips.
Lips. This looks cute.
It looks cute.
Yep.
Well, it looks pretty.
Yep.
Done?
See, look, your lips.
Yeah, let's put this in there.
It's so pretty.
It's so pretty.
It's so pretty, your lips.
All right, one more step. You're gonna spray my face.
Yep.
No, you just push it. Look, look. Just push it.
Where?
My face. Not so close.
What there?
Go ahead, spray it.
There?
Yeah, just spray it, baby. Just spray it. Just spray it. It will go on my face. Not so close. Like that. God, spray. Hard.
Your eyes?
I guess.
Oh no.
Okay.
I sprayed.
So we're done? Are we done?
Not yet.
Can I take a look? Can I look? Oh my God, baby. What do you think? You like mommy's look?
Yeah.
You think you did a good job? Look at me. You think you did a good job? Look at you, put my sponge on your face. Let's wipe that off. Come here. All right, so my son is done. This is my look.
I do mommy's makeup. It's done. It's look cute.
Come here. Ugh.
I do that.
Let's get that chair out of there. So this is what I look like. So again, thank you for tuning into my channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button below. Click the bell right next to it for more post notifications from me. That just lets you know when I post new videos. All right? Thanks for watching. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.
Bye. See you later, Goosey.